The regional wage board is regional wage board as regional wages and productivity board, to be clear. So there is a process that occurred, which means that they decided that in NCR, the increase would be 85 pesos. In that meeting, we had two employer representatives, and they both dissented for the reason that we do not want this to be a benchmark for all the other regions. At kasi naman ang nangyayari dyan, iba ang cost sa Manila, iba ang cost sa probinsya. Sa mga ibang probinsya, walang EDSA, walang Commonwealth. No? Karamihan dyan, nakatira sila, malapit lang doon sa factory nila, at gano'n. No? So, ang gusto ng employers, magkaroon ng regional development para maging competitive yung mga ibang regions. Hindi dapat pare-pareho yung laki ng wages. Kasi ba't ka magtatayo ng kumpanya kung mas mura magtayo sa ibang lugar? So yun lang ang pangamba namin. At kanina, natalakay namin yon. Pero kami, nirespeto pa rin namin yung 85 pesos. Although, we're cautioning that this should not be the basis for all regions. Precisely because of the different cost structures. For example nga, kung ikaw meron kang hog industry o meron kang chicken nasa negosyo ka ngayon, pag nasa Cagayan de Oro ka, napakamura ng corn, doon ka maglagay, di ba? Bakit ka magtatayo sa Bulacan? Kung nagtatayo ka sa Bulacan, tataas ang presyo ng corn. Pagdating sa Manila, tataas ang cost pa ng corn, tataas ang presyo mo. So yun ang sinasabi namin na hindi pwedeng pare-pareho ang wages dahil number one, there are different resources in every region, and therefore the fact that they can be productive in encouraging businesses to go to their regions, they should have different wage structures. Pero to medyo malaki to. So maraming umalma, kaya lang as we said, we respect the process of the regional wage board.